What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your money from a permanently limited PayPal account. I'll also be showing you how you can also restore your permanently limited PayPal account. Okay, so let's say you wake up one morning and you see that PayPal has limited your account permanently. Okay, they sent you a message that you can no longer use PayPal anymore and you still have some balance in your PayPal account. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw the money in your balance. I'm also going to show you how you can restore your permanently limited PayPal account. So in my previous video, you can see where I filed a complaint against PayPal with the Better Business Bureau. Okay, so sometimes back, they got back to me about my complaints, right? So they got back to me that they forwarded my complaints to PayPal, right? So that was what they did, right? So let's just log into my PayPal account. Then PayPal actually reached out to me, right? So this is what they said. So this was when they reached out to me. So this was what they said. We are writing to you about received your complaint relating to PayPal account. Okay, so remember my aim was to get them to contact me, which they did, right? So they also say that as we investigate your complaint, we may contact you requesting further information. Also, guys, if you are filing a complaint, I want you to use the email linked to your PayPal account. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. Do not just use any email. Use the email that is permanently limited. Okay, that is actually linked to your PayPal account. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. They said we aim to address all complaints as quickly as possible. It can take up to 15 days. We will provide you with our final response once we have completed our investigation. If there's any delay in issuing our final response, we'll send you an update in our progress. Okay, so guys, after this right, so they asked me for some documents. So they asked me to upload some documents. So guys, what they're actually looking for, so first they asked me for a proof of income tax. So they also asked me I should send them a photo or a screenshot of the product or services that I offer, which I did. Okay, so they also asked me to upload my passport. So after all of that, they accepted all those documents. Then they later reached out to me saying that I should provide them with a proof of address. Okay, so this is a UK PayPal account. So you cannot just provide them with any proof of address. Your address has to show that you're actually in the UK and you're actually operating a pounds account. So I uploaded a bank statement that has a UK address with my name. Right, so and it's also a pounds account. So I just uploaded my wife's bank statement account. Okay, so I'm just waking up to this morning with this mail that my account has been restored. As you can see, guys, they have removed the permanently limited account. So I'm not even saying it here again. We're also going to try and withdraw this morning, so just stick with me in this video. So your account access has been restored. We reviewed the information you provided. For reference, so they have removed the limitation placed. Now you can access the features. Okay, so in essence, my PayPal account has been fully restored. Okay, we're also going to try and see if we can actually withdraw our money, right? So as you can see, this was where they were asking me to provide more information. Okay, so this is the best. So this is the BB telling me that we have the information where you have received a new message, okay, from BBB. Okay, so as you can see, the account is fully active now. So we're going to try and withdraw. So in this case, my PayPal account is a UK PayPal account, and I already linked a UK bank account to my PayPal account. Okay, so this PayPal account was limited. I just got it restored. So I'm also going to try and withdraw the money from this PayPal account. So the total balance is £751. So let's just see if we can actually withdraw this balance. So let's go to transfer money. So we're going to withdraw money from PayPal to your bank account. So we're going to select this one. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So this is what we're going to do now. We're going to convert this balance to pounds, since this account is in pounds, right? So we can only withdraw in pounds. we're going to convert everything. 97019. So the dividend rate, we're just going to convert everything down. So now our whole balance is in pounds. We're going to try and withdraw this pounds, which is 751. Okay, so let's just try and withdraw it. Okay, we're going to select this. We're going to select our bank account. We're going to select next. 751.16. We're going to select next. Okay, we should review. Let's try and withdraw. Communicating with bank. So as you can see, guys, I was able to withdraw my money from PayPal account. So if you're watching this video and you still have trouble withdrawing your money from PayPal account, there's something I can do for you. Okay, just head over to konvati.com/withdraw. I can help you withdraw your money and credit it in your local currency. So whatever country you are, if you're in Nigeria, I'm going to send money to your bank account, to your Nigerian bank account. If you're not in Nigeria, I can send money to your own local currency, or you can give me a payment method you would like to receive your money. Okay, so that way I can help you. Okay, but first I want you guys to try this. Okay, if it doesn't work for you, then head over to konvati.com. You're going to be redirected to my WhatsApp. Just let me know you have some PayPal balance that you would like me to help you withdraw. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to provide me a proof that you actually have the money. So I'm going to help you withdraw the money. Okay, so let's just select done. As you can see, guys, this was instant. I'm going to be doing a video on the money in my balance. Okay, but as you can see, I was able to successfully remove all my balance. So guys, another way you can help me is by subscribing to the channel. That's how you can actually support me. In this case, I was able to recover both my money and my PayPal account. So okay, well, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below. See you guys in my next video.